Steve, I just want to start with the fact that when you need to build a business case for investing in new technology, you need numbers. You need some sort of evidence that what you're going to introduce actually will work. Now, Stephen talked about the fuel savings from the system for trucks, the half a litre of fuel every time a truck stops. Do you have any statistics about the value of Telex and how it improves congestion, safety, air quality, whatever?
Well, sure. And I'm glad you mentioned Stevens, because those were some pretty impressive stats. And also with the asterisk that, of course, when you mention an outcome, then there's questions behind the questions regarding the sample size and the applicability and all that. So we're in an audience that understands that. We experienced a reduction of 10% in travel times for those participants that had absolute authority. And among those that had conditional authority, they experienced 26% fewer stops. So you could see that that there is a distinction between absolute and conditional. So it does bring to the surface, I think, the value of having different grades of prioritization and road use policy determined by the type of user. I think one other interesting outcome was that 60 to 90% of the road users that were contacted claimed to have adapted their speed due to in-vehicle notifications. And this had largely to do with what's referred to as end of queue. So when they were alerted to the fact that traffic was bunching up and were given advanced warning, most people took advantage of that. And certainly that's an improvement in safety as well. So that's what I've got to share with you, Paul.
Okay.